catching these gizzard lizards. It's getting tough out here on these streets. Take what you can get nowadays. Take what you can get. We'll be back. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome back to X-Rated Fishing Show. That's Big Schmo.
What's up?
That's JJ. We're on his boat. He just had a new lower unit put on. We're doing the break-in time on it, or he's doing the break-in time. He was leaving the house this morning. He was like, "Dad, you rolling or you staying?" I was like, "I'm rolling, bro. I'm going with."
I'm routing.
You know what I'm saying? I'm routing with you, dog. So we're out here now. We are pulling a couple of planers with some spoons and a bird with a spoon, just trying to break in his lower unit. He can't go over, was it 3,500 RPM? And he can't, he's supposed to get, like, work his way up to 3,500 RPM at his 5th hour. What year's your motor?
Oh, 98.
98?
I think.
I don't think it's, I thought it was like a 95, but is it 98?
The boat's a 94.
Oh, okay, I got it.
I don't know. I got it.
Yeah, anyway, it's a late 90s, 2-stroke Yamaha, old trusty. Those motors are freaking bulletproof, basically. Lower units aren't when you hit sandbars and oyster beds, or whales, or whatever. We've caught one little bluefish and some lizardfish. Basically, I'm just killing time. It's blowing like hell. We can't fish offshore because it's blowing so bad. So just let y'all hang out with us for the day, I guess. Maybe we'll catch something, I don't know. Check out that view though. Pretty enough, ain't it? Pretty enough. Yeah. Find out here trying to catch a span. Oh, we're on. Well, that was fast. I got another blue one right here. Got a blue one. Hey, Randy, tell Randy. Where's your radio at? What's the name of this boat?
I don't even know.
Randy, I don't even know. We're letting the blue one go. Letting go of a blue one, Randy. Give me those wire gloves. That's a nice man. Go right back through where you just came from, though. quick. Hopefully you can hear me. I was waiting for this fish to expire. I want to show you, this is a Spanish mackerel. All right, when we catch juvenile kings, really small kings, they look very similar to this. The difference in a king mackerel and a Spanish mackerel is Spanish have yellow dots. A king mackerel has like a gray colored dot. Sorry, we're still fishing. So you can see the Spanish has yellow dots on them. Very good eating. We eat them all the time. You can fry them, broil them, however you want to do it. Fish tacos are excellent. And we actually leave the skin on and we don't scale them. The scales are so small on this that you don't have to scale them. You barely even notice they're there. We also use them for fish baits with marlin. We use them for everything. Another good way to tell the difference between a Spanish mackerel and a king mackerel is if you lift up the dorsal fin, you can see that dorsal fin is black. That's a good way to tell as well. If you catch a king mackerel and you lift up the dorsal fin, it's not black. A Spanish mackerel has a black dorsal fin. And it's very prevalent. It's very easy to see. So remember that. Next time you're out here fishing, sometimes you'll catch a juvenile king that'll be really small like this, but it'll have gray spots instead of yellow spots. So the best way to check that, lift that dorsal fin and you'll know. So let's get back to fishing. Try to catch some more, hopefully. Hope that helps everybody out. Leave a comment if you have another trick on how to tell the difference between them.
I wanted to touch on this real quick. JJ's circling right now. He's making a turn, and we're circling around. If you look to the right behind the rods, you'll see Spanish coming out of the water, jumping out of the water, eating those little glass minnows. So I wanted to reach out and say, never drive through those. Like they're jumping right now, you can see them right there. Never drive through the school. Always circle around and then pull your baits through the school. I see tons of people drive through them. And I know, yes, they come back up after a while, but all you're doing is pushing them down and you're just messing it up for everybody. Just drive around the school, drag your baits through the school, you'll get bit a lot more, catch a lot more fish that way.
Let's do it. Randy, we're hooked up. Jaden got that bite a while ago with that Spanish about what, 20 minutes ago? Probably. He's just been circling this area. We know they're in here. The wind's got the bait like pushed up against this bank over here. Should be okay. We're not going to get bit on that. It's not going to be a hot fire bite today because of that east wind. It'll be fun enough to hang out with the boys, break in the lower unit, catch some Spanish, and have tacos for the night. Don't forget to hit that like button. Please subscribe, hit the bell. See you on the next one. Going on here.
There ain't nothing on that one.
Watch your line, they can tangle up the motor. goes up too.
Probably hit the bottom or something.
He'll keep.
And that is a wrap. Good times on the big pond with my son JJ on his 18-foot Hancock skiff with a new lower unit that we had to do a 5-hour break-in period on. Yep, that's what I said, 5 hours. But we did it by the book. Everything should be good. Make sure the warranty's covered. In case anybody ever hooks a computer up to it, they know that it was done right. So with that said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like or dislike, I don't care, whatever you feel. Leave a comment if you will. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notifications bell so that you know when I drop new videos. I'm trying to keep them coming. Maybe this wind machine will turn off and we'll be able to go fishing. Thanks again for watching. Love y'all. Peace.